Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove a family link from your Google account. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is open up your Google account. So I'm just going to open up the Google app, click on my profile at the top right hand corner, and then this will open up the next window, and we just want to select manage your Google account. Once in this section, if you just scroll along to the right hand side, and we want to look for the option people and sharing, and if you just select this, and here it will display all your family or your family group within your Google account. So let's just say we want to now remove one member from our Google account. So I'm just going to select the blue icon that's got member. Okay, and then it will give me the option on the next page to remove the member. So if we just select that button, then the next page will appear, and you just want to confirm that you're happy to remove this member from your Google account. So click continue, and then it's just going to ask you to confirm it one more time to remove the family member. So basically removing them, they will lose access to all Google services that are in the family group. So just select remove, and that's it. That's how to remove a family link from your Google account.